Welcome to our channel. My name is Nikita from BSP Solution. In today's video, I will explain how we can create grade ladder in Oracle HCM. So grade ladder group grades with steps in the sequence in which your worker progress. Grade ladder describe the grades and steps to which a worker is eligible to progress and compensation value associated with that grade and steps. You may create different grade ladder for your enterprise, one for technical grade, another for management grade, and third for administrative grade. So in Oracle HCM, you create grade ladder either from the managed progression grade ladder in the compensation work area or from the managed grade ladder page in the workforce structure work area. So we will create here from the workforce structure. So let's move on to the application. On the home page, go to My Client Group, and after that, go to Workforce Structure. Here, scroll down and find Manage Grade Ladder. Click on Create option. Set the effective date, common set, because it is available for all the business units, and set the name of grade ladder, and then type of the grade ladder. Grade ladder provide two types, grade and grade with steps. So you create ladder with grades by building a hierarchy of grades that were created without steps. And when you set up this type of ladder, only grades without steps are available to add to the ladder. You can't create a grade ladder with a combination of both grades and grades with steps. You don't define any grade rates when you set up a ladder with the grades. The rates for the grades within the ladder are inherited from the rates that were added when you set up the grades. And second is grade with steps. You create grade with grade steps using grades that were created with the steps when you set up this type of ladder. Only grades with steps are available to add to the ladder. Here you define step rates when you set up the ladder, and the rates are unique to each ladder. You can't share step rates between grade ladders. So select here grade with steps and then click on next option. Here search for the grade and add to the ladder. Add to the ladder. And if you want to add another grade, search for it and then add to the ladder. So if you want to top of the first ladder or after grade first. So I select the grade 1 top. So click on next option. Here select the legislative and add the grade step here. And then fill the value of the grade step rates. And then click on next option. So this is how we create grade ladder with steps, and then click on submit option. So I hope it is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.